Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making something that I absolutely love, and it involves spaghetti, shrimp, tomato, spicy spaghetti something. So the ingredients I've used are a small bell pepper, like really small. This recipe probably feeds 2, and half an onion, some passata, tomato paste, tomato passata, whatever, and some shrimp, about 10 in here, and of course spaghetti. So what I've started with is to finely chop in the blender the half onion and the full mini red pepper. Used a small bell pepper, like really small. This recipe probably feeds 2, and half an onion. So first I'm going to go in with a bit of olive oil. Ooh, just a little bit. Whoa, just turn that down. And our lovely prawns. I'm going to go in with some chilies and onion seasoning, just a little bit. The prawns are already cooked, so we're just basically browning it just a little bit with the seasoning. So when the prawns are done, I'm just going to add a little bit more oil, just a little bit. Let it get nice and hot. Then we're going to add the blended, finely chopped half an onion and 1 full small bell pepper. And I just put it on the pulse or the chop setting on my blender. And we're going to put it in. I don't know if it's hot enough, so I'll just take a little bit and check. Yeah, definitely hot enough. So we're just going to fry this up until it becomes a little bit darker. I haven't even added spice to this and my eyes are already watering. Some all-purpose seasoning. And a little bit of chicken powder. We don't want it to be overly seasoned because it's meant to be, you know, a light dish. So, and it's meant to be a quick dish as well. More seasoning or something. You know, we're making it from scratch. So add a sprinkle of salt, a little bit of the spaghetti water that was left over. This is a meal for 2. We'll swap to the tongs. Then I'm adding some chopped spinach or parsley, whichever one you prefer, just to give it some colour. Lovely prawns, oh my god, it looks beautiful. And now to plate, so twist it and twist. That was meant to look more professional, but Oh, come on. And a little bit of chilies. And you're done. Look at that beautiful pasta, spaghetti, whatever. Thank you guys for watching this video. Comment and like, subscribe. Let me taste it.